What's going on, guys? Mike from Slow Speed back here, creating another video for you guys. Now, I've had this part for some time. It's not really anything power-wise, inexpensive mod that I kind of got the idea from one of my buddies. Was in his car. He had a little battery-powered cup holder light slot thing, whatever the case may be. It's a little battery-powered disc. You sink down in the cup holder, it lights up, it changes colors, and essentially it just illuminates the water bottle. Pretty cheap, pretty inexpensive, and I think a lot of people would like that, as in myself. And why not find the part, order it, and create content for you guys in case you guys were looking to turn your BMW or any other car with cup holders into illuminated cup holders. Now, certain cars that I know of, like the Chrysler 300s and things of that nature, which has the heated and cooled cup holders, also has the lighting. A lot of cars have the lighting in the cup holders. I think my boy's Ford Mustang has that as well. If you guys want to follow the Ford Mustang build, click either here or here, where you'll find I did a review and we upgraded the brakes. There are more parts coming soon. We're trying to source some type of intake or something like that for it now. So stay tuned if you guys want to see some Mustang EcoBoost builds. It's a pretty sick Mustang. But right now we're focusing on the BMW and getting these LED lights into the cup holders. So stay tuned, like, share these videos, and subscribe. We're gonna get on with this. I want to go ahead and mention to you guys that I am doing a 3,000 subscriber giveaway. When I hit 3,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a carbon fiber trunk lip, something like the one that I have right here. It's more so going to be a ducktail because everyone likes the ducktail type spoilers, and it will be for whatever car, whoever wins the car. Disclaimer, you know, it can't be like supercar. But yeah, for anybody, you know, F30, F32, whatever the case may be, F10, F15, go ahead and select someone who will win the spoiler, and they will get the spoiler shipped to them. If they are local, anywhere between, I would say, Maryland and New York, I can bring the spoiler to you guys, and I don't know, maybe film a video installing it. Who knows, whatever the case may be. But like I said, 3,000 subscribers, guys. Subscribe, lock it in, tell your friends. If you guys want a carbon fiber spoiler for your car for absolutely free, courtesy of Slow Speed, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's that simple, that easy, doesn't cost you a dime. Now, you guys are gonna flame me because this says ijdmtoy.com. So I think I got these off Amazon and they just came in this box, in this package. This is an iJDM toy. Now, you know this is not a JDM car. This is a German car. However, these are lights, so you can't really screw up lights. Lights is all the same. Doesn't matter where you get them from. These are auxiliary LED lights. I don't know if you guys can see them, and they are white. Now, the reason I chose white, one, you have two options on this interior. You can choose the orange, or you can choose the white features. I tend to stick with the orange on this, especially with the dark interior, because the white doesn't show as well. However, I figured it would be a hell of a lot easier to match a white than try to find the perfect type of orange or red color, and they might not even source that. So that's why when white, and white is a pretty much neutral color. You can have everything in the interior white, orange. The cup holders will be white, and it's not that big of a deal. First thing, we're gonna lift this up. Don't mind the wrap. I've popped this on and off so many times that I pretty much destroyed the wrap. Me and Kat are actually working on figuring out either a new color or maybe wrap it in the same color. We do not know yet. Done. Reach under here to pull this off. Okay, guys, quick update. Now, this comes off first, obviously, and this comes off. Now, this is held on by a series of clips right here. It might not seem like it comes off, but trust me, it does. And be careful because there's a little metal piece in here that might fall out. Just be gentle with it because it's thin. And this puppy right here just slides right up. But if you look in here, you have one and then two on each side. You have to grab both sides and then pull out at the same time. So we are fully disassembled. Now, for some reason, I like the way this looks. I don't know. Looks nice to me. You have so much more room in here. If you guys don't know by now, I'm going to tap in power from the cigarette lighter. Now, these are LED lights. They don't draw a lot of current, so I should not run into any issues with that. If anything happens or if anything goes wrong or haywire, that's what fuses are for. I do not plan on anything going haywire because it's pretty much a simple, straightforward install. I'm just kind of forewarning you guys, or kind of letting you guys know that the benefit of protection is there. You do not need any type of relays or circuits or fuses for this install. All right, now I gotta figure out a place to drill, and once you drill, you can't go back. So, all right, guys, I have my basic, simple wiring set up. I mean, it's not really anything crazy or whatever the case may be. We're gonna test out these lights before I drill in. We're gonna test to make sure they do light up. The wires are 2 different colors. The copper, I'm gonna go with negative, and the silver, I'm gonna go with positive. I don't know, just what I feel like is right. I'm gonna wire it up, see if it works. I don't know, I feel like Rambo with this. This is like the number. This is like the worst thing. The thumbnail. No. Wait. No. Ooh, I haven't hurt my teeth. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, you really don't need this. This is like overkill. This bit size is probably way too big. Anyway, well, actually no, it's probably about the right size. Now these are. They seem very waterproof and contained, so we should be able to throw them down there and have no problem. Yo, there's a hole in my cup holder. Wow. All right, we have 2 holes. Now 2 things are gonna happen. 1, you're gonna get freaking plastic everywhere, and then 2, definitely wear goggles because you're gonna have to fish out some of that stuff in your eye if it flings in there. So definitely be protective. Wear goggles. Don't be like me. Please don't be like me. But yeah, the holes are there. We're gonna clean it up, blow it off a little bit, and try to fit the lights in. Figure out where we're gonna put them. Just barely fit. Man. Little disclaimer, the reason why I don't think cutting or splicing is very important for this is because they're, well, the 2 simple low power LEDs, it might shake, might vibrate a little bit, but I highly doubt loose connection. For a good firm connection, you are going to want to use some type of tap-in or tie, whatever the case may be. I want this to be extremely reversible. Well, it will be extremely reversible with the ties, with the tap-ins and everything like that. However, I don't know, that's just not the plan that I want to take for this. I want to tap in and touch electrical stuff like that when I feel like it's for something so stupid and simple like a light for a cup holder. So don't thrash or whatever me yet. Tell me I'm doing it wrong. I know what I'm doing. I'm fully aware of the other way you can do it. It's just that I don't want to really tap into my wires for this. So what I am going to do is I am going to separate this a little bit. So as you can see, I have one side done. You can tell I ran ahead and wrapped it around, sealed it off. So that should be perfectly fine. Now it's time for the other side over here. Alright guys, so we got it installed. Everything is buttoned up. Well, everything is on. It's working. Now it's way too bright. It is way too bright. I'm gonna have to find some covers to go over them a little bit or something like that, but yeah, a little bit too bright. That concludes the install of the LED lights. I do like it because when you hit the unlock button, those lights do turn on. They don't look too bad from right here. When you put a water bottle in it, I just want the water bottle to glow. And it's hardwired, so you don't have to deal with any batteries. But you can't change the color. So give or take, whatever works for you is what works for you. Make sure to speed, like, comment, subscribe. Remember, the 3,000 subscriber giveaway is coming up. When I get 3,000 subscribers, I will use a random little thing to pick and choose who gets the spoiler. So if you guys want that spoiler, lock it in and subscribe to Slow Speed.